Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. August 3, Thursday, our market rallied today up 93.48 points or up 1.44% to close at 6,576.76. Value turnover at 3.9 billion pesos. No? So our market rebounded from that sell-off yesterday. So bargain hunting pushed our market higher today but it lacks the volume. So, manipis pa rin, no? Remove that special transaction block sale by Mega World. Manipis ang volume natin right now. Ali continues to hit a 5-month high, no? And emerge as the most active and top index mover as they released their earnings yesterday, up 4.70%. So, kahit na ang pangit ng market, no, because of high inflation, high interest environment, nakapag-deliver si Ayala Land. So, anong correlation ito? When interest rates are high, the cost of borrowing will be much higher for investors or retail. No? So, why will I spend? No? So, ang hirap kumiram ng pera pang loan. No? So, even these developers, hirap rin. Kaya nga yung mga nag-IPO right now, those property names of Via Land, uh, they don't they have problems or limited access to funds. Mahal humiram sa bangko eh. It's very expensive. Kaya they're looking to tap the equity market to raise funds. But for Ali, you can check the diversified portfolio nila. So they have malls, which is back at pre-pandemic levels na. Ang dami ng tao sa malls. No? And yun nga. And it's also good that we know some institutional flows in Ali na wherein we discussed Ayala Land when it dropped near 24, 23 pesos. Sabi ko nga, it's a matter of when eh. No? So right now, continues to go up. So ubos na yung selling ng isang fund there. And it continues, ayan, nag-rally na. So congratulations to all Ali believers. But remember, market will not go anywhere. So chance to sell rin. No? I don't see Ali going to 40 pesos anytime soon. So it's just a rotation play. No? Basically, our market is just trading sideways the past 16 months. It's very challenging. Nickel Asia dropped 3.58%, no, as first half net income fell 55% to 1.7 billion. So this is low. This is because of lower nickel and ore prices. No? So anyway, there's a slowdown in the Chinese economy, but it looks like the worst is over for nickel prices. No? So it will rebound soon as the world reopens. So yan. Balik below 6 pesos ulit. The past few days nag-rally na yan. Anyway, ASEN rebounded and closed at its intraday high, no, 5 pesos and 30 centavos as their net income surged 94% year-on-year to around 4.2 billion. So anyway, so there's a problem with their expansion-related overhead costs. But they're just range trading this. No? Near 5 pesos. Tapos pag nag-rebound, benta rin. Mahirap talaga. Challenging environment. On other news, no, Converge clarified that walang katotohanan that a significant minority is positioned to offload shares. No? So, if you also check the ownership structure, wala naman kasing merong at least 5% there. No? The second biggest shareholder, Warburg Pink, was already exited here. In 2019, Warburg lent around $250 million to Converge. They converted that debt to equity. No? So if you, it's not public info eh, ano yung conversion price, but based on my estimate, it's around 6 pesos, 7 pesos. And when they exited, tatlong tranches yun, 13 pesos, 20 pesos, and near 30 pesos. So they made at least, on average, I think they sold around 20. No? So they tripled their investment in less than 5 years. No? Ganun talaga ang private equity investors. The second biggest shareholder in Converge, I think it's Vanguard Group and BlackRock. No? So they own, I think, at least 1%, but not 5%. So if there's some institutional selling, sila yan. No? Mga minority or mga maliliit na funds. wherein there will be some rebalancing in the next 2 weeks, no? MSCI and FTSE. China Bank managed to sustain its profitability in the first half after posting a net income of around 10.8 billion. So annualized that's around 20 billion. So there's also a change of guards. So as they hired some new bankers. Now, corporation signed an MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, with Cagayan Economic Zone Authority for the deployment of fixed wired and other delivery systems to CESA. So, yun lang naman. Huh? PHA announced the resignation of Gus Cosio and Roberto Ortiz. So, Herbosa will be replacing Gus Cosio as chairman of the board. Herbosa used to head the BP. Change of guards. No? So, after 3 years in the board of PHA, nagpalit sila. No? So, let's see how this will transform into action. So, mahirap talaga. No? Anyway, our passcode for today is bargain hunting. So, yun lang naman. By the way, no, Boitis Power, no, entered into a JV with a Singapore-based company, no, Bena Energy, for the 102 megawatt Rizal Laguna Wind Power Project, FYI. No? So, watch out for some institutional outflow in Boitis Power in the next few weeks. No? So, it's either FTSE or MSCI. By the way, no, San Miguel Brewing Unit saw an increase in consolidated net income, which is up 26%, around 13.5 billion in the first half. No? This is because of strong demand for its beer product. So FP is slowly climbing, no? 50 pesos, 51 pesos. Ang nipis lang nito because public float is just around 11%. Meralco considers nuclear power to solve the country's power supply. No? FYI lang in the long term. So Globe mentioned that theft incident were down 60.2% in the first 5 months. No? So, yung fiber cable nila, no? Binebenta yan eh. No? Kaya minsan, unreliable yung internet because yung mga walang-wala talaga dyan. No? Niya nakakaw yung fiber cable at expense of the company. No? Dami na peperwisyo. No? So, it's now down 60.2% yung theft incidents. No? Lalo na there's some upgrade. No? So, the bundling of cable makes it more difficult to cut. Yun lang naman yung activity. You also check the ownership nung Coca-Cola. No? Every 5 years, papalit sila. It used to be San Miguel before in 1920s until 1900s, 1987 yata, they sold that. Tapos every 5 years, they managed to change ownership. With higher taxes on sugar, talagang the pressure is on. No? Alanganin. By the way, all HC disclosed that consolidated revenues reached 1.5 billion the first half, which is lower than the 1.7 billion they reported last year. Some pullbacks on some stocks that went 52-week high, BDO, DG Plus. So let's see if they can continue to trend higher. Again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye.